Hey there, wellness warriors. Are you ready to dive deep into the herb garden? Because today we're exploring a hidden treasure, the mighty thyme. Thyme, an unassuming low-growing plant with tiny clustered flowers and small gray-green leaves, often overlooked yet packing a mighty punch. Picture this: Roman soldiers soaking in baths infused with thyme. Yes, that's right. They used it to strengthen their bodies and mind. In the Middle Ages, thyme was considered the cure-all remedy, treating everything from diseases to injuries. But thyme's journey through history doesn't stop there. Even the nobility of those times used it as a pocket deodorizer. Can you imagine that? Beyond its historical and aromatic uses, thyme has also found its place in the culinary world. It's a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, but it also pairs perfectly with lamb, beef, game, and mushrooms. One of the simplest and most delightful ways to enjoy thyme is to steep it in boiling water for a fragrant and relaxing tea. And here's a quick tip: whether fresh or dried thyme leaves retain their incredible aroma, meaning you can enjoy your thyme tea any time of the year. Have you ever wondered how to make thyme essential oil? It's easier than you think, and you can do it at home. The resulting oil can be used externally or taken orally in moderation, giving you a handy concentrated dose of thyme's goodness whenever you need it. Okay, so let's get down to it. Why all the fuss about thyme? I've got 10 incredible reasons for you. Number 1, anti-inflammatory action. Thyme has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve muscle pain, reduce symptoms of arthritis and gout, and improve circulation. And guess what? You can even use thyme oil as a massage agent. Number 2, antifungal activity. Thyme can combat various fungal infections. You can use a thyme tea rinse for your hair, or even prepare a thyme bath to treat athletes' foot or nail infections. Number 3, antiparasitic properties. Thyme has been used traditionally as a remedy against internal parasites, especially in children. Number 4, respiratory relief. The strong antiseptic effect of thyme is a blessing for those with coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory problems. Gargling with thyme tea can give immediate relief to a sore throat. Number 5, cholesterol and blood pressure regulation. Regular use of thyme can significantly help regulate blood pressure and lower blood cholesterol levels. Number 6, digestive aid. Thyme tea can help with slow digestion, vomiting, stomach ulcers, and cramps. It's like having a natural digestive aid at your fingertips. Number 7, mental wellness. Thyme essential oil can help alleviate fatigue, depression, and frustration while enhancing memory and nerve strength. It's like a mini spa for your brain. Number 8, air purifier. Steaming thyme can remove impurities and harmful elements from the air, creating a healthier and fresher environment in your home. Number 9, bad breath solution. Rinsing your mouth with thyme tea can be a game changer for bad breath. It's nature's very own mouthwash. Number 10, acne treatment. Thyme can be a powerful ally in the fight against acne. Daily washing with lukewarm thyme tea or applying thyme oil to the affected areas can do wonders for your skin. So, there you have it, folks. 10 incredible benefits of the humble thyme. It's not just a spice, it's a super herb. Be sure to check out the 8 benefits of rosemary video. Like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of the videos we post. Until next time. And remember that life is better when you garden.